How you doing, James? Um, so you see this and this? Can you put this in yellow and this in green? It just should be that the person could just see it not standing out like this. 'Cause if it's in yellow, then with a shadow, like a little off, a little a different color of yellow that you could see it a little, not standing out, but you probably have to come up closer to see it. That's how I want to have it. Yeah. This one is good. I'm gonna send you the sentence you have to put in the red and the blue, but the same. Put the writing is in red and put the writing in blue. But that the person can is not standing out because this has to be like the standout thing, and then the writing is something that you have to come up close to the shirt to see it, but you see the writing in the back. So I'm gonna send you that now. And this one, send me a version with the gray and without in the PDF in the final PDF. So the PDF, of course, you're not gonna include the T-shirt because so all of them where you would send so that I could send it for the printer. Yeah. All right. So send one with the gray and without the gray. And can you change this windmill to just a glass with a straw in it? So representing a drink. Yeah. And yeah, and then that's it.